In this video, we are going to talk about a crypto token that has the potential to skyrocket in 2022. So the crypto token that we are going to talk about is Ply Origami token, and as you can see, I am currently in the Discord right now, and this is an official message from the admin. So this token is available if you want to get it before it's launched on platforms like KuCoin or Bybit. So if we click over here, and it will take us to an external link, and as you can see, my trust wallet is already connected. And if you see, the unlimited sale is currently on, and each token is available for half a cent. So if we click on this, and if you check the status, you need to hold at least 25 IF or 50 IDIA to start the KYC. So you need to complete the KYC. This is some platform called as Invest Impossible Finance, or else the other two options that you have got is you can go to Bybit, and if you click on the launchpad, and as you can see here, 200 million supply of origami ply is currently available. And here you have two options. One is subscription in bit, or you can go with the lottery in USDT. So not both, either of this. And this token would be also available on KuCoin, but since I don't have an account on KuCoin, and if you guys are having an account on KuCoin, you can go and check there. So the current price for this token is very good, and this token is basically a platform based token where you can lend, borrow and earn your cryptos. So please be a early bird and subscribe to the token, because you can make huge profits in this token. In case of any doubts or queries, please feel free to leave a comment, and hopefully you guys like my video. Thank you for watching.